Hello everybody, so today we are gonna look at this cat Craxs Rat. I don't know how to pronounce it, but what we can see from here is move this right here, right? So what we are gonna do is first of all install the Python. So I can do Python. So let's get this Python file. This is our file, and let's wait for it to download it. So what is happening is it's downloading, so it's right here. So you should do add Python exe to path, then install now. Let's wait for a few seconds for its installation. Next, what we wanna do is to install some command, some library for this. So what we are gonna do is to open cmd, and let's get inside here. So now we are inside here. That means what we can do is to do pip install, right? First of all, let's check our Python. So let's wait for it to finish its installation. So now it's adding the path as well as it is installing the required file. So let's wait for it. So this might take a few seconds. So now we have the setup successful. So let's close this as well as let's close this also. So now what we want to do is let's what we want to do is let's remove this, right? So as stated before, let's open the cmd command. Then what we want to do is let's do a Python balance version for it. So it has been installed. So I think it's for CLS and Python 3. Let's do Python. Now it has been successfully installed. So let's do CLS. Then we can do pip install Coloroma, and next package what we want is our this loader, or we can do pip install OS, which has been default installation, I guess. And let's close this, right? After we have done that, so next we want the keyloader. Then we have the keyloader, so let's change it our hardware key. So this is our hardware. Now let's open this. This might take a few seconds, so let's wait for this process to complete too. And let's wait for it. Now let's copy this, right? Let's copy it from here to here, and let's paste it. Let's do enter. Now what we want is let's do a has been successfully installed. Then let's do this. Let's go on this folder, then this right here. Then let's do open this, and let's wait for it to load. So this might take a few minutes because it might take it takes a long time to just load. Before this, if something isn't working after this, you might get an error that it's not working your internet connection. So it is because of proxy. So if you are using this kind of software, right, so either use in this virtual machine, or if you are using through your phone, you can use RDP for that. That's the necessary uh, to be safe from the virus or the malware. So if your main system get hijacked, right, by malware, then let me just do one more time. So I urge you to just not do a second time, because if you do it, it might take a few more minutes to load, and CPU usage is very high. And let's wait for it. So it's telling me to just what are you gonna use. So what am I gonna use is English for this, and let's wait for it to just load. It's loading. Okay, let's open this. So if I just do so you can use whatever you want, right? So what we want to do is use proxy setting, and okay, so let's save this and let's log in. Okay, so if I need to disable this, right, okay, if I just do this and over here,